Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important part of digital marketing, SEO audit. What is an SEO audit? SEO audit is the analysis of the website to find out the traffic, performances, errors, visitor interactions, etc. There are several processes which fall under the SEO audit. They are objective of the audit, domain authority, keyword analysis, competitor analysis, technical analysis, page level analysis, content analysis, user experience analysis, link analysis, and social media analysis. Objective. The objective of an SEO audit is solely going to be on how to increase the business. In order to do that, you need to analyze all the insights of the website, where the website is lagging, and what are the improvements that needs to be done at the particular department. The objective differs for different businesses. Certain websites need to improve their speed, some of them need to optimize their links in their website, and some might have a poor domain authority. Using these insights, it is our responsibility as a digital marketer to locate all of these mistakes and correct them. Domain authority. It is the measure of power given to a domain name, and it is an important search engine factor. Domain authority is a score given by Moz. The score ranges between 0 to 100. The age, number of links, and the history of the domain are important factors considered to calculate the domain authority. Higher the domain authority score you have, there is a good chance of your site ranking on top. Page level authority can also be found in every page of the site. Keyword analysis. It is the process of finding out the best keywords to bring out customers to your website through organic and paid search. Keyword analysis are necessary in the sense as they are used to bring out conversions by understanding what the customer wants and using that phrase in that search. There are many great advantages of keyword analysis, like optimizing the amount you spend on keywords. By using keyword analysis, you can find out the keywords which are mostly used and some of them which are not used at all. Those keywords can be easily eliminated. There are a lot of tools which help with keyword analysis. They are Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, SEMrush, Moz Keyword Explorer, etc. Competitor analysis is such an integral part of the SEO audit. It is always necessary for you to keep tabs on your competitors. It is a process of analyzing your competitors' strengths, weaknesses, and the steps that you need to follow to stay ahead of them. There are a lot of tools which helps with competitor analysis. SEO Profiler, SpyFew, SimilarWeb, etc. are some of them. Technical analysis. When you start an audit, the technical aspect should be the first one you should look at. It is used to find out whether the website is working or not, or if there are any technical problems within the site. They lay the foundation for all the other things that you do. If the technical aspect is bad, then it completely affects the whole website. The major technical aspects which should be looked upon are speed, redirect issues, canonical, robots.txt, sitemap, duplicate metadata, page level duplicate content, 404 errors, URLs, broken links. Speed. This is an important part of the technical aspect of the website. If the speed of the website is not optimized, it forces the visitor to use the competitor's website, which affects the bounce rate also. The loading speed is different for websites of different fields. There are a number of ways to optimize the speed of the websites, like reducing the image sizes, using CDN, external hosting platforms, etc. Redirect issues. If a page of the website has been taken down, you should immediately give out the 301 or 302 redirect. 301 is for permanent redirect and 302 is for temporary redirect. This is done because the user experience declines if the customer sees no page, which would eventually reduce our ranking. Canonical. A canonical tag is given at a website to reduce the duplicate content issues. This helps the webmaster while crawling through particular web pages. Robots.txt. Robots.txt or robots exclusion protocol is used to communicate with the web crawlers. This tag is given to a web page that you don't want to be crawled. Sitemap. It is a list of pages present in the website. This shows the direction of where the pages lead to and should be properly optimized. Optimizing a sitemap leads to better indexing and higher results. Duplicate metadata. The usage of duplicate metadata is conceptualized in different ways. This is the process of adding the same metadata as the others. This is particularly not minded by Google, but it is a practice which is better not to be done. Page level duplicate content. Duplicate content is using the same content of a page in different pages of the site. This will not be penalized, but makes it difficult for Google to crawl through your pages and to find out the unique content of your site. 404 error. This code is used to indicate pages which are not present on the site or if the customer types the wrong URL. URL. Uniform Resource Locator or URL is very important as it is the name of your resource online. It is usually used as a text to link your web page. Broken links. As the name suggests, the link leads directly to pages which have not been optimized, like incorrect URLs in the search without updating the URLs, etc. This can be corrected by adding the 404 error code. Page level analysis is otherwise known as on-page analysis. It is done to specific web pages present in the website. We are now going to look at some of the steps that are done in page level analysis. Duplicate content. As per Moz, duplicate content is something which is present in the internet in more than one place. It does not lead to penalty but does impact the search ranking at times. The duplicate content can be corrected by giving the redirect code to the particular page or the canonical tag. Keywords in relevant places. One of the best ways to optimize a web page is to add keywords at relevant places of the page. Just throwing keywords at random places won't work. Placing it in relevant places like the URL, on-page content, meta description, etc. works really well for your website. Internal links. These are hyperlinks which are present in the website that leads to other pages of the same domain. This is very useful in the sense that it can help the people get directed to other pages of the website easily. External links. If a hyperlink of the website directs you to a web page of another domain, then the link is called as an external link. It is a small ranking factor as Google understands your site's authenticity based on your external links too. Images. Images are an important part in appealing the customer who views the website. Nowadays, infographics, GIF animations are much more appealing than normal images. The images should be properly optimized and the file size should be reduced to decrease the loading speed. Proper images should be added to engage better user experience. Content analysis. Writing useful, interactive and unique content is the best way to increase the search results and optimize the website. When writing a content, there are a lot of things that needs to be checked right from the grammatical errors and plagiarism. These analysis should be done properly before posting a content at the website. Originality. The content you write should be original in the sense that it should be unique and different from the others. Taking references from different blogs can be done, but copying the same content and posting would lead only to poor results. There are many tools in Google that can be used to check the originality of the content, and the plagiarized phrases can be changed or removed. Useful and informative. The length of the content does not matter. Even if it is a small blog of 350 words, the information that you intend to give out should easily reach the customer. Better content than competitor. The reason why a lot of research needs to be done before posting a content is to be better than your competitor. User experience analysis. User experience analysis is the way in which we can find out how the audience feel from using your website. It is where you can find out how the website works with the user and what are the things that needs to be done to improve the quality of the website so that it could appeal more audience. Bounce rate. It is the term used to give out the percentage of users who check the first web page and then leave the site. The lower the bounce rate, the better the results. The reason why the user leaves the website is due to the fact that either the quality of the site is not good enough or they would have come to the wrong site. Optimizing the site to function better and have better quality will help dampen the first reason, but the second reason of bounce rate is inevitable. The average bounce rate percentage is about 41 to 60%. Average time spent on site. As the name suggests, it is the estimation of the time that a user spends on a site. When you give out good interactive content and nice images with infographics, it really helps the viewer to explore more on your website and the user experience increases. Goal completions. These are some of the things that you have to keep for yourself. You have to keep a goal while interacting with the customers, be it sign-up forms or macro conversions like buying a product. Improvements should be done to reach the goal you have created. Exit pages. This is the last page that the user viewed before exiting your website. This can be seen in analytics, and using the data, you can find out the reasons to why the users leave your page. This can be due to the page being unoptimized or wasteful content. This should be corrected by using the data which we obtain. Return visitors. Users who come back to your website regularly are called as returning visitors, and also users who came back within a span of 1 or 2 years is also called as a returning visitor. This data is collected from Google Analytics. Using these analysis, you can segregate new and returning visitors. By regulating good content and new updates, you can make them a regular follower. Link analysis. The number of backlinks present in the website is very important as it helps with the Google ranking. There are a lot of tools which are used to find the number of backlinks in the website like SEO review tools, SEMrush, small SEO tools, etc. Some of the important points to analyze the links are listed below. Link relevancy. Having a link in the website is a good thing, but you have to find out whether the link is relevant enough to be a backlink, because certain lead to bad illegal pages and some to no pages at all. These links are called as bad links and broken links respectively. These links are better to be disavowed and removed from the site as its presence hinders your Google ranking. Link authority. The quality of the link is what affects the authority of the link. If a website has 50 quality links, its link authority is more than the website which has 1000 trashy links. Branded searches. It is the search which is done by the user using your brand name. Right optimization and regular updates should be done to reach the top place. Carrying out the right digital marketing activities to enhance your brand awareness is most important. Anchor text. It is a clickable blue hyperlink which is present in your website. These hyperlinks should go to relevant sites and should not be generic like click here. The anchor text is of many types like exact match, partial match, branded, generic, etc. Social media analysis. Social media analysis is the method of collecting data from the social media site and to analyze how the viewers are interacting. The insights which are gathered here are used to improve the company's presence in social media. Social signals. According to Moss, social signals are human interaction metrics on social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Medium, etc. These signals are basically likes, retweets, pins, etc. Using these signals, we can find out which social media platform is performing the best and how to better the ones which are not up to the mark. Social media presence. When starting a company, the presence of the company in social media platforms is mandatory. Giving out continuous updates about the new products or features are some of the best ways to optimize the social media presence. These updates help with the company's popularity and gives out an increase in interaction with the company and its user. So there we have it, a brief study about SEO audit. Using these audit steps, your website could be optimized in the best way possible and your interaction with the user increases, which could help you increase your rankings in the search engine result pages. Try your hand in SEO audit and learn from it as much as possible. Thank you for watching.